Do you know how to interpret and understand the ever-evolving amount of information available in Angus Sale catalogues? Do you need to brush up on the latest developments in genetic technology? Can you look past the bull to find the best genetics for your clients ahead of this breeding season? The Northern Service Providers Workshop is the one-stop shop for all of this information and more. If you're operating in Northern Australia and providing breeding and genetics advice to producers, the Northern Service Providers Workshop can help you get beyond the bull this sale season. Covering off on the pre-game preparation of sourcing bulls, identifying the best from the rest, and managing acclimatisation to northern environments, the program is designed to ensure that you have an understanding of the growing amount of information available on Angus bulls. So please feel free to join us on June the 16th at 12 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time for an all-encompassing pre-bull sale season session so you can get beyond the bull.